doesn't normally happen.
No, but don't tell Kai that. You okay, Dan?
Oh, boiling, my head's roasting.
Oh no. What?
You just get off.
Do you have many videos of Amy on Bright?
Yeah, I suppose we could get off here. I don't know what they didn't do, but it was set next time.
Hey guys, if it was running, we would have been off by now.
10 minutes later. This is it, Kai. This is what the ride does. Just stay here now. 10 minutes.
You get someone in a Yeti costume walks on there.
Yeah.
Rah, and then walks off out.
During the Food and Wine Festival, they cover the Yeti in pasta.
Wine.
Spaghetti Yeti.
Oh, Daniel, you and your dad jokes. Hooray!
Oh no!
Yay. Oh, sorry, I keep pulling your earrings. I don't care.
Stop it, guys!
A lot more G-force in the back.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
How many G's, Dan?
Oh, jeez. Eat all biscuits.
Yeah, you can get stuck up right there.
Okay, now it's quite easy. Can we just stay like this?
Daisy.
So what do you think of that, Daniel?